Step inside a world where time slows down, where every corner whispers comfort and every detail tells a story. This is Country Charm Cottage Décor, a place of soft colors, rustic textures, and heartfelt simplicity. From weathered wood to wildflowers in jars, let's explore how to bring the gentle beauty of the countryside into your home. Here are some detailed and heartfelt tips to help you deepen that country charm cottage decor feeling, where simplicity meets soul and every detail whispers warmth and nostalgia. Layer textures for soulful comfort. Combine soft linens, own wood, knitted frost, and wicker baskets to create a lived-in coziness. Use lace or crochet dowels on side tables for a delicate old charm. Choose furniture with character. Look for pieces that will handcrafted or time-worn, like a weathered hut, spindle chair, or farmhouse table. Repaint old furniture in muted pastels, shells, cream, dark egg blue, and slightly distress the edges. Include at least one antique or vintage heirloom per room. It anchors the space in story and nostalgia. Use lamps with linen or floral shades to spread a warm golden glow. Add candles in vintage holders. String fairy lights or lanterns for evening charm. Avoid harsh white lighting. Choose warm bulbs for that sunset soft radiance. Bring nature indoors. Keep fresh flowers or dried herbs in small vases, animal jugs or glass bottles. Display pressed flowers or botanical prints on your walls. Use oven baskets or croton trays to hold fruit, linens, or magazines, both beautiful and practical. Celebrate imperfection. Don't polish away history. Small scratches or faded paint add charm and honesty. Mix patterns and colors freely. Floral cushions, plaid rose, striped runners. They tell a cozy, layered story. Display handmade or upcycled items. They carry more heart than store-bought perfection. Country kitchen magic. Show off your ceramic mugs, copper pots, and wooden spoons on open shelves. Add gingham or floral curtains and keep a vintage teapot on display. Use mason jars for storing dry goods. They add sparkle and nostalgia. Hang dried herbs or lavender bundles near the window for scent and style. Cozy nooks and corners. Create a reading corner with a soft armchair, blanket, and floral cushion. Turn a windowsill into a mini herb garden with terracotta pots. Add a vintage mirror to reflect light and make small rooms feel airy. Add personal, poetic touches. Keep a quilt or handmade blanket draped on a sofa or bed for instant comfort. Seasonal soaps. In spring or summer, bring in floral fabrics and lighter linens. In autumn or winter, layer wool throws, candles, and rustic wooden decor. Always let the season's colors guide your accent tones. Nature is the best decorator. Simplicity above all. Don't overcrowd the space. Let each object breathe and tell its story. Remember, true country charm comes from warmth, not perfection. Use vintage mirrors to reflect light and shawl. Hang an antique mirror with a distressed white or gold frame to open up smaller spaces. Try oval or ornate mirrors for that quaint English cottage feel. Create gentle floral harmony. Choose a small scale floral fabrics for curtains, cushions, and bedding. Combine roses, lavender, and daisies for a countryside meadow feeling. Mix florals with stripes or checks to keep it cozy rather than overly feminine. Let wood tells its story. Keep furniture with visible wood grain, even if a bit worn. Use reclaimed or whitewashed wood for tables, frames, and shelving. Add wooden bowls, candle holders, or trays for texture and rustic balance. Charming storage with style. Use wicker baskets or vintage crates to hold blankets, magazines, or firewood. Stack old suitcases or wooden boxes for creative, nostalgic storage. A wire basket with rolled linens or lace napkins looks effortlessly lovely. Soft window designs. Choose cotton or linen curtains in soft checks, light florals, or lace. Let them flutter slightly in the breeze. Country charm is about movement and light. Add tie bags made from ribbon or twine for handmade sweetness. Display branches in glass jar for a simple, poetic touch. Add a wreath of dried flowers or lavender bundles for scent and softness. Nostalgic kitchen corners. Keep a vintage clock, ceramic jars, and wooden cutting boards visible. Use floral or checkered table joiners instead of modern placemats. Stack teacups and plates in open shelves. Let everyday items become decor. Decorate with old books, vintage radios, or typewriters for quiet charm. Stick to creamy whites, butter yellow, soft shells, blush pink, or sky blue. Thanks for watching the video.